chatty, me can't live in. Every little thing you run down to police. I show you chatty, me can't live in peace. Every little thing you run down to police. Me I try a little hustling and sell some weed. You come me doorstep and you find to work. See it can me name down a station to sergeant. But you're my friend, be every mother and me know say you a breed. Me no want do you nothing, so you fit take pain. Leave people business and make them so sweet. To your chatty, me can't live in peace. Every little thing you run down to police. To your chatty, me can't live in peace. Every little thing you run down to police. Everybody don't know how in the ghetto run. For defend yourself, you have to have a little fun. The other night you see me a brandish a magnum. You run down the station and a laba you tongue. And you know how we go when them your police. You come and just boyaka and a guy drop down. To your chatty, me can't live in peace. Every little thing you run down to police. To your chatty, me can't live in peace. Every little thing you run down to police. On the father side, me have a little sister. Come check me, you see me from down in Manchester. Me and Nara reason me step on a corner. You run down and me heart and tell me lover. When you tell her what she look like on the description, she just say, a rebel sister that man. She me can't live in peace. Every little thing you run down to police. You me can't live in peace. Every little thing you run down to police.
Did you see what losing you has done to me? I'm not the same man I used to be. So won't you have a heart? Don't leave me standing in the dark. Cause I'm lost without you, can't find my way. Yeah, come back to me. And I promise I'll be all the tenderness you need. Your whole life to get. But this time I'll be sweet, dog. And our love will run deep, girl. And I won't let you down, no. I won't let you down. Have faith. Oh, and girl, now since you've been away, yes, I've hardly seen the light of a day. I'm lost without you, can't find my way. So won't you please be fair?